Welcome to the Curly Express. Dwight here. I want to do a video on 3D printing. Everybody, I have been printing for stuff for people. People think that I'm just going to I'm just going to snap my fingers and things are going to be printed and done. It's not that simple at all. First, it depends on what you want. So whatever you want, you have to find a file for it. So I got cults. I got account on cults. I got this other people thing, Versi, or whatever it's called. You gotta find what you need. So I got HO scale. Let's just, this is just an example. You go up here and you can find the newest. So you got different things, You gotta figure out what do you want, and boy, I think I must got Mod Podge on my lens or something. Sorry. It looks a little better. And you figure out what you want. Then you gotta download it. This is not a bad looking vehicle, actually. I better download that. I just found that. That's because somebody just posted that yesterday, actually. I'm downloading it. And these on this website is normally free. I have bought a lot of files because I don't like guessing at trying to resize things. I just don't like doing that. It's a waste of resin, waste of filament, and is that even working? There. So, okay, I just put that in. I'll show you how many files it will come up. 1,000 files. So whatever you're looking for, you have to put it in there. And there could be hundreds of files. And you have to... People just think it's simple. It's not simple at all. Once you find a file, you gotta download it onto your computer. This computer I use is I'm trying to put the arrow up there. Is my mini PC. I only use it for 3D printing. Yeah, I get on YouTube. Whoops. I thought I left that guy because I'm watching him put lights in that. Facebook, my other Facebook, my Curly Dwight Facebook. I get on that. But I normally only do my 3D printing on the mini PC. Okay, so once you figure out what now see this slicer's for my filament printer. So you have to go up here. You have to what am I thinking? When you first get your files, they'll come in a zip file. See all them zippers on those files? You gotta open them. And I got a lot of files on here. I gotta go through and get rid of some of this stuff. Especially the N scale. I'm done printing N scale on military. Now, I'm not saying who the person was. I just got done with one person, and I sent his stuff last. It's been over a week. I think he's just getting it today. Now, I printed 2 separate buildings for this person. And one building, there was just so much detail part. It took me, I'm guessing 2 months to print that. All that. It takes time. It depends on what you're printing, you know. It does take time and work, and you got to remove supports if you're using supports. It takes time. So this is my film. I'm only doing this to demonstrate, you know, once you... Okay, so this is this buffer stop, you know, for your sits on your track. You have to figure that all out. And I use on my filament printer. I use supports once in a while. Depends on what. I printed these without supports though before on my filament printer, but I got it set up for my resin printer. Here's my resin printer. These are HO size cones. And you're looking at this here build plate. You think this thing's huge. It's not huge. So all this got to get supports on it. I will just hit it automatically. And you have to understand, it takes time. You got to find what you're looking for when somebody asks you to print something. And this here will tell me how much it costs me. It's going to cost almost $3 to print that. And they're all sitting on top of... whoops, I moved them. Now you did it. Whoops. Where'd they go? They're way over there. Whoops. Now they're under the build plate. Move the center there. That's not center. On platform. There it goes. Whoops. So it takes time. And once you get your files all saved and downloaded, and then you move to the printers and put your stuff in there, and then you hit your print. And sometimes you get fill prints. I had 2 fill prints yesterday. It's all a process. I'm not saying you can't do it, but it takes time. That's what my point I'm trying to make here. You all seen Drew Steele Dark Knight video on his mill call. I printed all the military cars, vehicles for him, and a couple tanks. I don't know. I must have spent over a month doing those. Plus, I was trying to print my own military stuff, and I was printing that other stuff for the other guy. I'm not saying I won't do it for you, but I do have my limits, you know. So I got all this stuff down here yet. I gotta get ready to. There's all my military stuff. I got a long ways to go. I got burned out. I just had to stop. But anyway, this is what I was trying to, you know, explain to some people. I'm going to be making another video too about something. I might say this twice in both videos. I no stream this Sunday. It's Easter Sunday, so no stream for me. I just wanted to demonstrate what it takes to 3D print. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, ding that bell. Sorry it's boring for you. Catch y'all later. Bye.